HIMS stock analysis and HIMS stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in this space. I've done 42,000 videos over 5 years, so I have seen what's making me money and what's not. Especially with HIMS and HERS held stock. I'm actually a very big fan because you can see this like in the beginning here in the Discord made like this was made 31st of March 2025, sitting at 29.49 at the time, looking to take it to like 72. That's more than a double that I would like what I was waiting for, like 150% price increase, and it was beautiful. You know, it literally is delivering. Not just this, you know, that I called out. Also, like the lower time frame idea that I had here, which is currently just a risk-free for me. You know, I was patient. It went close to the break-evens, but never met them. So that's good. That's very Gucci, by the way. And now it's a break-even. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading and want to stay tuned with HIMS, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.